Today, we're back at Yashio Factory. Oh, S15's out. It's nice getting some sunlight. We're watching the D1 Grand Final right now for round 6 at Minami. It's literally like the championship right now. It's looking really good. But a gift arrived from my buddies over at GK Tech for Okachan. And if you guys don't remember, at Drift Muscle, Okachan's front caster arm or tension rod broke. And GK Tech was like, hey Sam, we're sending you some goodies for your Skyline, but how about we get you something for Okachan as well? So let's give him the freebie gift. All right. This is pretty perfect timing by the looks of it, because he's looking at the front of the suspension of this car. Is this, this looks like the broken arms from the other day. 同じアームのドリフトマス壊れちゃった。壊れた。Yeah, so these are the arms that broke. ぽっきり折れた。Yeah. And this one, wow, you can even see that's bent there. That's so bad. Perfect timing, I think. 岡本さん、オーストラリアのメーカー GK テック。アメリカ？アメリカじゃない、オーストラリア。すいません。ドリフトマスを見た、だからプレゼントどうぞ。ドリフトマスで。Oh. I think he likes it, boys. Oh, good. Oh, もっと変更できるね。Good, good. You're gonna get a lot more angle out of that. So this is the typical straight one that you get, and then this is the GK Tech one, which gives you a bunch more angle. And then D-Max, you can only get that much that way. We're both putting it on wrong. But yeah, it looks like GK Tech gets you a lot more angle. Okay. Okay? Very nice. Oh, look what's happening, guys. I convinced her to take a seat in this 180. This is the 180 that Okachan has for sale right now. It's nice, right? Can you see out of the hood? By the way, the seat can be really adjusted, so don't worry about that. Yeah, slide it forward. Oh, look how cute she is. She doesn't know how to slide a seat forward in a car. Oh, grabbing the pillar. I'd like to see you do that while driving. I think you need to go more further forward. Hey, take your heels off. Oh, this is awesome. I'm loving that we're trying to get her into a 180 right now. Yeah, that's about right. No, that's good. Yeah. Push the pedal.
Oh, look, the size of this.
Yeah, I think the steering wheel is going to need to go up a little bit more for you in that aspect. But try and push the pedal all the way to the floor. All the way to the floor till it hits.
Yeah, it's hitting.
It's hitting? Okay, cool. And what about your clutch? Push the clutch all the way into the floor. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Look, she already loves it. We're getting her a 180, boys.
Hey. I'll think about it.
You'll think about it? Oh. See, there's another 180 there that Okachan's going to be fixing up and selling at some point. Another nice little white one here. It's already got nice over fenders on it and a like nice hood and stuff. And I'm thinking of talking to Okachan and see if we can come to some arrangement for May's first car. So Okachan is kind of giving me these hand-me-down wheels and tires. These are like super expensive Time Attack tires, AO52s, but they've had their use on a HKS demo car apparently. But these are going on the Skyline, so we've finally got an all-black piece of RGDs for the Skyline, and my old Wed Sports down here, they're going to be the new fronts on the Sylvia for the time being, until we can get some more gold RGDs for that, because I really like the RGDs, they're my favorite. So we're switching this so that the side with more grip is on the inside where my camberware is. And we're going to try and, let's see. Can I do a fancy new tire iron on this? I don't think so. Yeah, no, not happening. These have really got a stiff sidewall. So what do you guys think? Black NRGs, front and rear now. It's pretty sick. We're definitely gonna have to roll guards up the front here or get some over fenders for sure. It's a little bit, yeah, we're gonna see how we go with drifting with those. But I think it's definitely gonna rub a bit, so we'll work on it. But pretty pumped though for 18s now all around, and RGDs at that. Now I just need a full set of gold ones and we'll be mint. But we gotta bring the S15 up here now so that we can do the same thing. Oh baby, I love every time I get to start this thing up and take it for a little rip. Even though she's a bit, you know, well, worse for wear, I guess, would be right now. Like, you know, we got like no door card on here, but that's all good. We're getting this thing fixed up. We should have this thing registered with Shuckin in no time. Oh yeah. Woo! This thing feels so good. So we're going to be changing the fronts to the 17s that used to be on my Skyline. So there'll be a lot more room in the front for some angle fun. That's pretty much the goal. All right, so we wrapped up at Yashio, and we're at our favorite Chinese restaurant here in Japan called Chinlai. May got the fried rice and the soup. I got the soup. We also got gyoza, and I got the ginger pork with cabbage, mayo, rice, pickles. Bro, I'm gonna devour all of this. I'm so hungry. So it is now actually the next day, and I wanted to show you some more boxes that arrived from GK Tech. These guys are epic. They sponsored me and my Skyline, so I'm really happy about that. As well as you guys saw, they helped out Okachan. So definitely support the companies that support me and support Okachan. So if you guys want any really cool stuff for your suspension for your Nissans, gktech.com is where you need to go. I'm really pumped about this because this is a new product from them actually. And this is for the Skyline. This is front camber adjustment arms. And this is going to pretty much solve a bunch of issues that I'm having in the front end by getting my camber dialed in, because the only way that I've adjusted my camber right now is with extended LCAs. In the future, I do want to go to a GK Tech full R chassis angle kit, but for now my knuckles and extended LCAs are fine. We just need to get some camber adjustment there. So this is what this does. This goes up in the top because it's like a double wishbone setup, or a wishbone setup in the front there. You can't like adjust your camber by getting like camber plates on coilovers. So this connects to the arm that then connects to the knuckle, and then you're able to adjust it and move it in and out like this, right? So we're going to be putting these on probably tomorrow or sometime this week. Tomorrow I know I've got to go to Yashio Factory, work on the S15 and do a bunch of other cool stuff that you'll see in tomorrow's video. But I'm really pumped about those. And another cool thing is they also give you the measurements here for OEM length, so that you can pretty much put these in and you should still get an alignment, but you can get away with like driving to the place to get an alignment. So that way you can measure everything and make sure it's perfect for, you know, the stock length, and if you want a couple more degrees and stuff like that. And then obviously they sent me a pair of their caster or tension arms for the front, the same ones that they gave Okachan, and these are to replace those hideous D-Max ones that broke on Okachan, as well as the ones that keep loosening themselves on me and causing me alignment issues as well. So I'm really happy to be running these. These are going to get me a little bit more angle. Now that I'm running 18s as well on the front, it's going to clear a lot better than those D-Max ones. So today's actually Monday for me, and normally Mondays are my rest day. So normally I just like to chill and relax. And I always do find myself doing something on the car, but something that kind of is relaxing and satisfying. And I think you guys are going to agree that this is definitely satisfying, so let me show you. I'm currently restoring my headlights back to crystal clear, well, the best that you can get them, all things considered. And anyone who owns like a Skyline or like an S15 Silvia, those are the two biggest culprits that Nissan ever released. Headlights go yellow like this. And all it takes is, first I just hit it with 1000 grit sandpaper, and then kind of move up to like 1500, and then you go through the different polishing compounds. I've got a pack of all these different compounds here. Let me see if I can dig them out of my little baggie here. And yeah, like I go all the way up to step 3, 9800. So yeah, we kind of, and then the second step is 7500. So you work from the lowest number to the highest, and then that just gets them looking crystal clear and polished again. At some point, I do want to like go through and really restore them properly and then clear coat them at the end. I've heard that that's the best thing to do to get them to last the longest, but I mean, I don't mind doing this once a year is normally how often I do it. And I'm sure if any of you guys own a Skyline, you know that this comes with, you know, the territory, I guess, of owning a Skyline. So currently working on this one, and that's what this side looks like currently. You can see the yellowy kind of like grossness in there, and I'll show you the after I restore that one what it looks like. But for now, I'm gonna get back to work wet sanding this, and then I'll start polishing it and show you what it looks like. So I just finished polishing this one up, and you can see that I'm reflecting in it like crazy. Very nice. I'm pretty happy with that. This headlight isn't the best because it does have a bit of heat damage on the inside here in front of the main headlight. I'm not sure what happened there, but something on the inside there, just kind of, it looks like a bit of heat damage to the plastic. So if ever I pull this light apart, I can get in there and polish that out. But that's just that one spot there. The rest of it's crystal clear and looks amazing. So now, if you have a look at that side, from like out here, look at that. And then we come over to this side, you can see all the yellow tinge and stuff like that. So we're gonna polish this side now, make it look like that, crystal clear and nice. Let's do it. Also, getting compound everywhere, so we'll have to wash the car after this. So it's gotten super dark because my drill went flat and I had to wait for it to charge up again. But look how good this side turned out. This is the best headlight out of the two on my car, and it always turns out the best. So really happy with that. As you can see, no more yellow tinging there. It's really nice. I mean, the iPhone light isn't really doing it that much great justice, but both of these are super nice and clear and black now, which is what you want to see. So I'm going to pack everything up, just kind of wash all the compound off as well before I go inside, and that's it, I guess, for me today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of shorter than my normal ones, and there wasn't like a whole bunch of crazy stuff going on, but it was still fun yesterday at Yashio Factory, and then today restoring my headlights. I'm really happy with them. I can't wait to go look at them tomorrow first thing in the morning, because I got a pretty crazy day happening tomorrow. You'll find out tomorrow when I edit, well no, the day after, because you know what I'm saying. You'll find out in the next video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. I'm going to probably play some Minecraft and live stream now, so if you're not subscribed to the live streaming channel, definitely go check it out. Link is in the description. Also, follow me on Instagram. Love to see some more of you guys there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. Ja mata.